Hi there, Nancy here. Listen up as I share my latest tip on bringing in large gifts.
Is it too early? Have I waited long enough? Have I gotten to know them well enough? I mean, will they look at me funny? And it's again, how will they react? No one ever laughed in my face. I'll just tell you, like, no one belittled me. No one was so rude. Nothing like that ever happened to me. But I think it goes back to such core things. I call it VIP, and it's not VIP as a very important person. You've got to know a person's values, interests, and passions. Passions is that where I land on. You've got to know what they're passionate about with your organization. You have to know why they even showed up. Oh, did they receive a scholarship? Do they wish they had had an organization like this? Does their brother have a learning disability and this organization addresses it? And it's just so near and dear to their heart. Why is it? You cannot ask someone for money just because they're wealthy, just because they're standing in front of you, just because they've been in your database for a year. It's not that. It's that art of fundraising. It's the art of it. It's that so much of it is tapping into your emotional intelligence and thinking, does it feel right? How do I not come across rude? How do I focus? It's learning to listen and focus on the donor. It's always make it about the donor. If you focus on the donor and don't think about you and your organization needing this money, or that you're trying to meet a budget by December 31st or meet a goal, it's not about your meeting your goal. I hate to say it. It's not about December 31st. It's not about all those things. Focus on the donor.
Be sure you are signed up to receive my quick tips and strategies each week by clicking the link here. See you next time.